Uncertainty now hangs over the St. Hilda's High School in Brownstown, St. Anne, a campus that has stood strong for over a century, but has now been brought to its knees by Hurricane Melissa. Sandy Williams has our story.
When Hurricane Melissa swept through St. Anne, it barged in like an unwelcome guest and left chaos in her wake. The St. Hilda's Diocesan High School now bears the scars of that fury. Broken windows, torn furniture, and roofs ripped clean off, giving the appearance of a school looted by nature itself. The institution, which has been shaping young minds since 1922, has weathered many storms, but this time, Melissa's lesson was one of destruction. Principal Heather Reed Johnson says dorms, classrooms, and even her own cottage took a severe beating.
We've lost our cupolas or peaks. In fact, we've lost 2 of the 3. And I should tell you, they were recently repaired after burial, and we have lost them. So the dorms are affected because they're now leaking badly. We had a few leaks here and there before, but they're leaking badly now. And of course, the offices downstairs are also affected because the water leaks from the top through the ceiling, and our offices are affected.
And there's more.
There's a classroom too that lost a little section of the roof. The vice principal's residence here on campus lost a section of the roof as well, and so on. And of course, the principal's cottage. That roof is totally gone. And in fact, I was there during the night, and I had to grab some tarpaulins and cover what I could. But for the most part, everything got wet.
Fought together, others may never be found.
As for our boarding department, I do not see the girls returning in short order because there's a section of the veranda in the boarding school. The roof is dislodged, in fact, from the main building. And there are some beams that I believe, I'm no architect, but I believe those beams are there to help to support the building. 2 of those huge beams came down as well. So I think it's going to take a while.
Mrs. Reed Johnson is calling for urgent intervention from the Ministry of Education to help assess the damage and jumpstart repairs. And while the school community tries to pick up what's left, there's a glimmer of hope.
We are looking at if we can get going, at least for the girls to come in on a staggered basis. Maybe the exam groups, we start with those because it's a critical time for them. And I have no doubt some of them are quite worried, quite concerned, parents and girls alike. So I think it would have to be a phased basis. And again, I'm not so sure about the boarding aspect, but definitely we're considering the exam groups, grades 11, 12, and 13.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.